KTM has officially been pulled back from the brink, at least for the moment, with parent firm Perrier Mobility confirming a 600 million euro financing package has been secured to meet the terms of their restructuring plan. Now, this comes 3 days before their May 23rd deadline and means the Australian manufacturer can meet its court-mandated obligations to pay the agreed-upon 30% quota to its creditors, which means it's pretty good for them when you consider they're in debt $2.25 billion, which means 70% of their debt is going to be written off. And I mean, literally a month ago, they had to close down the factory again. There's no parts coming in because people weren't sending them anything because they didn't think they were going to get paid, or people have stopped making parts for them altogether because they weren't getting paid. And you got to think 70% of 2.25 billion euros is getting written off. That is huge. We do have a statement from them saying, quote, Perrier Mobility AG and KTM AG have received financing commitments subject to the execution of the requisite agreements, which will ensure that the quota payment to fulfill the restructuring plans of KTM AG, KTM Components GmbH, and KTM, I'm not even going to try these ones because I'm going to butcher them, whatever, can be fulfilled on time by May 23rd, 2025. And that is a statement from the Perrier Mobility Group. Now, I mean, you still got to think, this is huge. I mean, a 600 million euro investment, whatever you want to call it. And this is coming from Indian partner. It's BAJAJ. So Bajaj, whatever. Bajaj Auto. And I mean, for them, it's not really surprising considering they already own or hold, I guess, not own, 49.9% stake in KTM. So for them, hey, it's probably not a bad thing. I mean, if they own almost 50% of this company, you probably don't want to see it go down the drain. But it's still huge. I mean, you think how many racing platforms KTM is in, how many bikes they sell, just in general, they are a massive, massive product. And you gotta say, this also doesn't come with the kind of gray cloud over it that 1,850 jobs have been lost since the beginning of this, and it still doesn't look very good for them in general. In 2024, they posted an operating losses of $1.28 billion, revenue down nearly 30%, and over 60,000 fewer bikes sold last year. So who knows? I mean, even if with this goes through, who knows if this is going to be a long-term thing, if it's going to get bought out by somebody else, if, BMW, I've heard, there's some rumors about them coming in and putting money into this. But, I mean, it's a good thing in general. I mean, at the moment, we still have KTM around. I mean, they could have closed the doors completely and just said, screw it, we're done. So I guess good for them for still being around. And now it's just going to be the question of what's going to get cut. I mean, obviously, if they're losing $1 billion a year, 1.25 billion, like that's a lot. You really think about it. How many racing programs? I mean, they've got MotoGP, which is a massive draw. Baja, MXGP, Supercross, and Motocross over here. And it's just, there's a lot of money going into racing, and who knows if and or what will be still around in a year or 2, 3 maybe. But I don't know. This is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Do you own a KTM? Or did you ever think of buying one? Dirt bike, road bike? Do you think they're going to be around for the long term, or is this a stopgap? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.